Hi friends, I am Ashrafli and today we will discuss about stretchable horizontal rule or dots. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Stretchable horizontal rule or dots. Backslash h roll fill backslash dot fill. Produce an infinite rubber length filled with a horizontal rule, that is a line or with dots instead of just white space. When placed between blank lines, this example creates a paragraph that is left and right justified, where the space in the middle is filled with evenly spaced dots. Here is a command backslash no indent a backslash dot fill bb. Now we will go to the LaTeX software. Here is a command backslash no indent a backslash dot fill bb. Billet and view. The LaTeX show that many dots between A and BB. To make the rule or dots, go to the lines and use backslash null at the start or end. To change the rule's thickness, copy the definition and adjust it as with the backslash reno command. Calibreses backslash h rule fill. Calibreses backslash leave mood backslash leaders backslash h rule height 1 point backslash h fill backslash current backslash z at calibreses end. When change the default thickness of 0.4 point to 1 point. Similarly, adjust the dot spacing as with the backslash reno command or calibreses backslash dot fill calibreses end calibreses start backslash leave leave v mode backslash glitters backslash hb at xt at 1.00 em calibreses backslash hss dot backslash hss calibreses and backslash hfill backslash curl backslash z at calibreses end, which change the default length of 0.33 em to 1.00 em. Friends, thanks for listening me and don't forget to share it and like it and subscribe it. Thanks.